असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Now see some examples of problems here. So here the example one is, a car is moving with the acceleration 2 meter per second square from rest. Find the distance travelled by the car in 10 seconds. So here they are given the acceleration of the car is 2 meter per second square from the rest position. So here they are asking that what is the distance travelled by the car at 10th second. Okay. So here solution. So they are asking to find the n is equals to 10 and acceleration is given 2 meter per second square, right? And the initial velocity they are given rest. So that is 0 meter per second. So here we have to find out the distance travelled by the car at 10th second. So here the equation is Sn is equals to u plus a into n minus 1 by 2. So in this equation we have to substitute the values. Then we'll get the distance travelled by the car in 10th second. So here Sn is equals to u is a 0 and plus a value is a 2 and n value is a 10 minus 1 by 2. So here 2 into 21 by 2, right? 10 into 2 20 and 20 into 1 21 by 2. So this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So the Sn is equals to we got 21. So here from this value we can say that the distance travelled by the car in 10th second is 21 meter per second. Okay. So here we can write the distance travelled by the car at 10 second is 21 meters per second. Okay, this is the value. Problem is, a car is moving with the initial velocity 15 meter per second and car stopped after 5 seconds by applying of brakes. Here the initial velocity of the car is given 15 meter per second and after 5 seconds the car stopped by application of brakes, right? So here then not given any distance here, just given the time. So the final velocity is 0 here. So find the retardation or deceleration. So here we have to find out the retardation of the car, right? So here how we are saying this is the retardation. So we know to find the acceleration we will take final minus initial. So here the final value is 0 and initial value is 15. 0 minus 15 is equals to minus 15. So here we got the value in negative. So that's why we are saying that this is a retardation. So here we find the retardation of the car. So first of all we have to write the values which are given. So initial velocity is u is equals to 15 meter per second and final velocity not given, just time is given, so 0 meter per second and here t is equals to 5 seconds and a is equals to we have to find out. So now take the equation v is equals to u plus 80. So now substitute all the values in this equation. V is equals to 0 and U is equals to 15 plus here A is we don't know and T is the 5. So 15 plus 5 A. So A is equals to, we can write minus 15 by 5. So we'll get here A is equals to 15 ones are, this is 15 threes are, minus 3 meter per second square. So here the retardation of the car is minus 3 meter per second square, right? So this is the solution. See, third problem. Here the question is, a bus is moving with the initial velocity of u meter per second. We don't know the value here, and after applying the brakes, its retardation is 0.5 meter per second square and it stopped after 12 seconds. Find the initial velocity, that means u, and distance travelled by the bus after applying the brakes. So here, after applying the brakes, the retardation of the bus is 0.5 meter per second square. And after 12 seconds, the bus has stopped. So here we have to calculate the initial velocity u and the distance travelled by the bus after applying the brakes, right? So here the final velocity v is equals to must be 0. They are mentioned only 12 seconds here, right? So here I want to write, here A is equals to 0.5 meter per second square and time t is equals to 12 seconds and v is equals to 0 meter per second and u is equals to, we have to find out. So here we have to take the equation, v is equals to u plus at. We know the value of v is 0 and u we don't know, so as it is, a is a minus 0.5 into t is a 12. So here u plus, so what is the value here? Minus 0.5 into 12. So we have to calculate this into, so 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, this is 6. So this is become 0 here. So 0, 6 and 0. So after one point, a number point is there. So 6.0. So here we have minus. So minus 6. So u minus 6. So u is equals to 6 meters. So we got the initial velocity is here 6 meters per second. Now we have to calculate the distance travelled by the bus after applying the brakes. Right? Now take the equation, s is equals to ut plus half at square. Right? Then we'll get the distance of the bus after applying the brakes. So we don't know the s. So we got u is equals to 6 and into t is the 12 plus half, a value is the minus 0.5 into t is the 12. So 12 square. So s is equals to 12 6 are 72 plus half, no, here 12 square is the 144. 144 into minus 0.5, right? 144 into 0.5, what will get the value here? 5 4s are 20 and again 5 4s are 20. Here the 2 is there. So 22. Here 5 1s are 5 plus 2 7, right? So 0 into something, always 0. So here we got value as like this. So here after our number point is there. So we got here 72. That means minus 72. Okay. So here I want to rub this. Now S is equals to 72 minus half into 72. So here this is 36. So 72 minus 36. Then again we get here 36 meters. So the distance travelled by the bus after applying the brakes is 36 meters. And we got the initial velocity here 6 meters. This is the problem.